Hello, I'm Marty Hedgie, Product Manager for Bosch Rexroth Hydraulic Cylinders, and I'm here today to talk to you about tips and insights into selecting the proper hydraulic cylinders for your application. Picking the right cylinder technology is key to better performing hydraulic systems and increased reliability. Key points we will consider today are types of cylinders, cylinder sizing, mounting styles, and seal selection. There are three basic cylinder types we'll be speaking about today. They are tie rod cylinders, mill-type cylinders, and rams. Tie rod cylinders use high-strength steel and are typically used in general industries, automotive manufacturing, and specialty machinery applications. Mill-type cylinders are heavy-duty cylinders, generally operating at higher pressures, used for heavy-duty applications such as steel mills, civil engineering, and marine applications. Ram-type cylinders are single-acting cylinders used in pushing applications only. They're typically used for heavy-duty press applications. First selection criteria is cylinder dimensions, which include cylinder bore size, rod diameter, and stroke length. These are based on machine and application requirements, mainly the load to be moved. You also have to consider the hydraulic operating system pressure that's available. Once you've determined the load that's going to be moved, divided by the operating pressure that you have available gives you an area. From the area, you can then determine the bore size of the cylinder required to move your load. Generally, you like to size the cylinder at least 15 to 20% above the load requirement to take into account any inefficiencies and system losses. You'll also have to consider how the cylinder is going to be mounted. That is determined by the geometry of the machine. Fixed mount options typically include centerline mounts, flange mounts, and side mounts, all of which are easy to install and service but have little tolerance for misalignment. They need to be well guided to operate properly and avoid the potential for side loading. Pivot mounts include clevis mounts and trunnion mounts and are applicable wherever the cylinder needs to change alignment during motion. Picking the right seal is essential to preventing fluid leakage and ensuring long cylinder life. Seal selections typically are based on operating conditions and temperature, as well as the type of hydraulic fluid used. Polyurethane seals are useful for most standard applications requiring flexibility, high strength, and wear resistance. Teflon or PTFE seals are best used in highly dynamic applications and systems which require low friction. Buna and nitrile seals are appropriate for cylinders using water or water glycol-based fluids. And for systems using synthetic fluids and/or high-temperature operating environments, fluorocarbon seals are required. We can help you work out the specific products based on your unique application requirements. Call 1-800-REXROTH or visit www.boschrexroth-us.com/cylinders for more information.